Hello everybody and welcome back to another lesson. This lesson is called Yes, I Can. My name is Adam Sensei. Good afternoon. How are you? We're going to be doing some vocabulary. Repeat the words after me. Okay, it's time for some vocabulary. You'll have a test next lesson, so make sure you pay attention. Okay, let's go. Clap, clap. Wave, wave. Raise, raise. Drop, drop. Count, count. Hide, hide. Sell, sell. Feed, feed. Smell, smell. Chat, chat. Okay, that's all the vocabulary for this time. If you're unsure about anything, check with your teacher. Back to the lesson now. Let's read. Little bird, can you fly? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can fly. Hear what the little bird says. I can sing. Bird says, I can sing. You can see here, I can sing. And hopefully this here will help you out. What does bird say now? Let's have a look. The bird says, I can fly. I can fly. You have the words here to help you out. Well done, little bird. But I can swim. See the swimmer here? But maybe you can't swim. In which case, you would say, I cannot swim. Or you could say, I can't swim. Because can't is can and not joined together. And we have this little dot. It's called an apostrophe. And that shows it's the two words joined together. What else can you do? I can cook. Or maybe I cannot cook. Or of course, I can't cook. You can see that apostrophe there, joining them together again. Well done. Now we're going to move on to the worksheet. So this is the worksheet. As always, write your name at the top. So what is the little bird saying? We have a missing word. I sing. And you've got to fill that in. And then the little bird says, I fly. And you've got to fill that in too. And then here, we see we have two spaces. So we need to say, I cook. And I swim. We need to find out what two words from the lesson can go here. And you can look back at the lesson to help you. The second exercise is to write about you. I sing. I swim, and I fly. And if you can sing, and if you can swim, and if you can fly, fill it in like that. And if you can't, fill it in like that. And that's the end of the lesson. Thanks everybody for paying such good attention. If you have any questions, let your teacher know, and I'll see you later, alligator.